I know I can't be the only one making plans with their skincare pickups. Let's talk about it. So I got my usual suspects, my one size setting spray, my Laneige toner, but this body butter, we're about to go on vacation in a couple of weeks, and I have plans with this body butter to get moisturized after I sit in a long hot bath on the balcony and get just oiled up. Yes, ma'am. The oil was part of the rewards program, and I had to grab that immediately. Next thing you can put on your nails, your body, your hair. And this Flush powder, I've been waiting to get my hands on it. It is the Creme Brulee Flush Bronze Powder, and I want to be toasty brown. I want to be super glowy. I want to be so just... And then these jet black patches, okay, look, I want to be luxurious from the plane to the touchdown in the hotel, and these patches are going to help me do it. But that's not plans for these pickups. I cannot wait to go on vacation. See y'all from the beach. Bye, guys.